Welcome back to Turbo Drive Avenue, where performance meets practicality. And today, we're diving into the 2026 Audi RS6 Avant Performance, a high-powered luxury wagon that continues to blur the line between family utility and supercar-level speed. The RS6 Avant Performance is built for enthusiasts who refuse to compromise. It's designed for daily driving, long road trips, and spirited weekend runs, all while offering the space and comfort of a practical wagon. Audi's goal here is simple: deliver extreme performance in a package that still fits real life. Visually, the 2026 Audi RS6 Avant Performance makes an immediate statement. Its wide stance, flared fenders, and aggressive bodywork give it a planted, muscular presence on the road. The front end is expected to feature a bold honeycomb grille, paired with Sharp LED or Matrix LED headlights that add a menacing look. Around the back, sculpted lines, oval exhaust tips, and sleek LED taillights emphasize both performance and sophistication, making it unmistakably RS from every angle. Inside, the cabin blends luxury with motorsport-inspired design. High-quality materials such as leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber are expected throughout, creating a premium yet sporty atmosphere. The seats offer strong lateral support while remaining comfortable for long drives. Cabin space is generous for passengers, and the wagon layout provides excellent cargo capacity, making it surprisingly practical for everyday use. Audi is expected to offer the RS6 Avant Performance in a focused trim lineup, with this performance variant standing at the top. Compared to standard versions, it's expected to feature increased power output, sport-tuned suspension, and exclusive design elements that highlight its flagship status. Under the hood, the RS6 Avant Performance is expected to be powered by a twin-turbocharged V8, delivering explosive acceleration and effortless highway power. All-wheel drive should remain standard, providing exceptional grip and confidence in all conditions. Handling is expected to feel sharp yet controlled, striking a balance between comfort and aggressive driving. Fuel efficiency is expected to be modest, as you'd expect from a V8 performance wagon, with estimated figures that prioritize performance over economy. Technology is a major highlight, with Audi's digital cockpit, large infotainment displays, and advanced driver assistance systems expected to be standard. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and collision mitigation are likely included. The 2026 Audi RS6 Avant Performance is expected to start around a premium price point, making it best suited for buyers who want extreme performance without giving up space or luxury. In the end, it stands as a bold statement of Audi's performance future. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, subscribe to Turbo Drive Avenue, and press the bell icon for more high-performance car content.